Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A10s. Without further ado, let us get into the video. Before we get into the video, this was purchased from eBay as part of a 3-phone purchase. What you're seeing on screen is only one mobile phone that we will be unboxing. However, if you buy one, it will cost $120. If you buy 3, you will get one for then $114. So we paid about $340 for 3 mobile phones. However, for this video, it is the unboxing of just one. So let's now get into the unboxing. Before we do that, we can go through the specifications of what we received with the purchase of this phone. Brand Samsung, OS Android, screen size 6.2 inches, front camera resolution 5 megapixels, the rear camera resolution is 13 megapixels. We know this is a smartphone. Mobile broadband generation is 4G, SIM type nano SIM, input device multi-touch. The RAM for the mobile phone itself is 2 GB. The internal memory capacity 32 gigabytes. We can expand the memory if we require. So let's now get into the unboxing video itself. Get your unboxing tool. Before we do that, let's just look at the box itself. That's the front, the side, the other side, the bottom, the top, the back. Also gives us some specifications: 4G LTE, octa-core processor, screen inch size 6.2, 13 megapixels, 2 megapixels dual rear camera, 8 megapixels front camera, 32 gigabytes of memory. The RAM is 2 gig. As reiterated before, let's now get the unboxing tool, cut into the box itself. Rip off the plastic itself. We still have to cut off some stickers from the side. That's done. One more. So that's done. Now we can push the top off. What are we presented with? A box, instruction manuals. Let's just see what's in here. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Warranty, instructions. Do we need any of this? For the moment, absolutely not. Let's just move this to the side. Get back into the box. The star of the show. Let's just place this to the right hand side of the video. Let's get into the box. Earphones, charger, not USB type C, type A. Here is the charger. This is why they gave us an additional plug, so this can go in this, and then 3-pin plug for the UK. A SIM ejection tool. Nothing else in the box. The star of the show. We have a tab here. Let's just power this on for the first time. Samsung Galaxy A10s, powered by Android. Let that boot into the OS. Let's just change the language. English, UK. Yep, let's go. We would then have to insert the SIM card. Let's just read, agree. Skip this for the moment. Don't copy yet. Just a second. The timing needs to be changed. Correct. Today's date is the 7th of April. Yes, it is. Okay. Correct. Next. Accept. Just a second. Let's just skip all this for the moment. Skip anyway. Let's just skip this for the moment. Skip. Finish. All done. And so that's the new mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy A10s, ready to use for your personal use, business use, office use. If you're a student, yes. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next video unboxing tutorial. Thanks for now.